Okay, students, in the earlier video, I told that we would discuss about the usage of in and in, at, and on for preposition of time and preposition of place, right? So let us see when and how do we use this three preposition with context to in context to time and place. We use at for specific times. Okay, when we talk about an exact, specific means an exact time. Like example, at 9 o'clock, I will see you at 9 o'clock. So when I talk about this, means I'm talking about a specific time. Okay, and also for holiday period, for like holiday period means at Christmas or at Easter. Okay, so these are some examples where we can use at for holiday period. Next one, we use on for specific days. That means part of like days, the days of the week, okay, that we have. So whenever we want to take, whenever we want to use for specific, like whenever we can use on for specific days, like Monday, on Tuesday, on Wednesday. Okay, so this is how we can use. The third one is we use in for months. That is, for example, in May, in June, in July. Okay, and also in years. That is in 1990. I was born in 1990. In this way you can use. And also in season, so like we can, whenever you're using the name of a season, like in spring, in summer, and winter, so this is how we can use. And also part of the day, that means part of the day means we have morning, evening, we have morning, afternoon, evening. So during this part of the day also we can use the preposition in. Now we have the preposition of place. Here also we have the same preposition at, on, and in, but let's see the usage. We use at for exact address. Okay, now this is important, okay, because most of you, we are confused where to use in, on, and at for when we talk about places. So I want you to understand this very carefully. We use at for exact address. That means an address which you know, the house number, or on which lane, or on which street, or what is the exact street number. Okay, suppose if you know that exact place, then you can use at. For example, at 55 Oxford Street. Now here there will be many streets there would be many numbers. Okay, there would be many streets in Oxford, like in Oxford Street, like say like there are five, or like there are around like 100 streets in Oxford, in that very place in Oxford. So when I say at 55 Oxford Street, means particularly like at 55 means that's the exact address. Next, not, but there is something which you have to note is if the exact address is not known. But in case if you don't know the exact number, the street number, then that time you can use on. Okay, that is, for example, like on Oxford Street. Okay, in this way you can use. Next one, we use on for places which is close to the roads. Now see, on, you just cannot use on in your like on whenever you want. Okay, there are certain rules which you have to follow. So that is, we use on for places like whenever you want to talk about places which is located close to the roads. Okay, close to the roads, or to the rivers, or to the coast. That time we can say, we can use this preposition on. For example, London is on the river, is on River Thames. Now London is on river nearby, like London is situated in River Thames. So here we can use London is on River Thames, or we can say on Oxford Street. Are you getting me? This is how we can say. Okay, next, the last one, we use in for towns, states, countries, and continents. So for this one, in towns like in Dimapur, states like in Nagaland, we never say at Nagaland, at Dimapur, right? We always say in. So we use in for towns, states, countries, and continents like Antarctica, Arctic, Asia. Okay, so whenever you use this continents, name of continents, then you can use in. So with this we comes to the closing of this explanation of this topic, preposition. In the next slide you will see the question. Okay, you will see the assignment question. So I expect all of you to do the assignment and upload it on time, that is before your English period ends. That is all. Thank you.